Alright, my peeps, so I go on there, barbecue chicken foot ready, fried plant and cowpeas, Game one. Alright, my peeps, welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen, another cooking video. First on the list, coconut here for rice and peas, of vinegar to wash chicken foot. So we have some barbecue chicken foot, right? See plant here. So I'll show you all of my spice them. See ketchup here, see barbecue sauce here, all purpose, chicken, scallion, ginger, pepper, pimento, bell pepper, thyme, onion. You can see Mumpy Irish. And we have some garlic. It's a recipe I got nice, eatable, tastable. So these all I'm going to use in my recipe. Please like and share. Remember, Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Alright, and peeps, see vinegar. A little chicken for guys. So I'm going to remove all chicken foot here, right? Clean up the chicken foot. So I'm going to show you step by step, right? Please remember to like and share. So recipe I got nice one, eatable. Peeps, if look like these, right? Remember. So these look at the nails them. So you remove all nails like these. I'm gonna keep the chicken foot in there. Go and wash them pretty and clean. I'm going to add them back in some running water right now, right? Rinse them off now these. Alright, my peeps, you can see I have some pimento seed, garlic, pepper, and thyme, right? I'm going to add it to the chicken foot. So I'm going to add some chicken Maggi, right? Add some Maggi all purpose. So I'm going to add a cocker brown into it, right? Two cocker brownie. So I'm going to mustard it well, right? Rub it in. So this is chicken foot. I'm going to spare 10 hours. Remember, barbecue chicken foot in it. Alright? Yes, my peeps, see chicken foot, as you can see, right? Go right along for 10 hours. See, thyme, scallion, pepper. Maggi all purpose. I'm going to add some salt to it. Alright? See coconut juice here now. These go and boil on 10 more minutes. Alright, peas. See, these I like custard. Yeah, I like these in my rice and peas. So make my thing boil go down with the custard. So I'm going to add the rice to it now, right? You can see. Yeah. Stirring up. Can go and cook. Remove back the scale on them, right? Move back tiny man these like this. Ginger. Outside, no? Onion, pepper, thyme, pimento seed, and barbecue chicken foot in it. I'm going to push it to 5 minutes, right? I'm going to add some water, push it to 5 minutes. Okay, go and cook for 5 minutes, right? Outside, barbecue chicken foot. Give them a piece with it, and man set up at a whistle outside. And man can see. Going to add the quarter pot, right? Like this. Not really enough now. Add some ketchup to it. Add some honey to it, right? Like this. Some pimento seed to it. Add it like this. Sauce right here. You can see? Not really enough, a little. Like this. I'm going to stir it well. Alright. I'll add some more ketchup to it because this water, so I want more ketchup. Need some. See? Pinch of Maggi. Flavor it, you know? Yeah, my people see what it look like, you know? Yeah, man, see barbecue sauce, yeah? See? Alright, you go and go down to perfection now, see me I say? Yeah, man. Alright, my people see chicken foot there. 5 minutes pressure, I'm eating, you know, so you ready now and thing? Ready for eat, you know, soft, you know? Yeah, so remember barbecue chicken foot, you know? Barbecue sauce there. You see chicken foot there, right? You can see chicken foot there. See barbecue sauce there. Barbecue chicken foot, you know. Alright, outside. Barbecue chicken foot. No joke. Alright, my peeps, see the barbecue chicken foot I know. Look, so them pretty. Barbecue chicken foot. Yeah, man. Eat and 2, 3 more minutes, 4 more minutes if you go and go down, you know. Yeah, outside, you see. Jamaican cooking lumberjack like and share. Barbecue chicken foot there, you know. Alright, my peeps, it now. Barbecue chicken foot ready now, you know. So if you look like these, say gravy rich and thick. Yeah, man, see barbecue sauce, yeah, man, outside, you know. Dinner time. Barbecue chicken foot. Yeah, my peeps, see there. Yeah, man, barbecue chicken foot ready and man. Finishing product this. Alright. Alright, my peeps, so I'm gonna see barbecue chicken foot there, see fry plant, see cold peas there, rice and peas. Alright, my peeps, see there, dinner time, barbecue chicken foot ready, you know. Fry plant there, see cold peas there, rice there, well shelly and thing, remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, like and share. See juice out by there, yeah man. Right, I'm hungry now, so you know, dinner time, taste it, eat it. Alright, my peeps, so I go on there, barbecue chicken foot ready, you know. Fried plant and cold peas, you know. Yeah, man. You see? Recipe nice, tastes good. Delicious. Barbecue chicken foot, you know. Yeah, my peeps, remember to like and share, you know.